Do you want to speed up your Windows device but don't know how? If your answer is yes, this whole video will be for you. So in this today's videos, I'll tell you 4 different hacks that are already present in Windows itself. If you have any third-party antivirus installed in your device, just delete it, because Windows has its own antivirus named Windows Firewall Defender. This will be very good for your device, and this will take care of all the security of your device in the near future. Windows 10 and Windows 11 both comes with variety numbers and majority number of bloatware. Sometimes bloatwares are the main enemies to cause the deduction in the speed. So you just have to do one thing, just go to Windows debloater, run the script, and this will disable, or I can say that this will delete all the bloatwares in your device. There are many temporary files that are already in your device that you don't want because they are not important. So what you have to do, just press Window plus Alt. Type this. This will show you all the temporary files that are already adding up the space but you don't want them. Just select all and delete all. This will enable a much more space for your device. Whenever you start your device, there are so many apps that keep running in the background once you start your device. So just to stop that, what you have to do, just go to Task Manager. In that, there is a thing, startups. You can see there are applications that are already running in the background which you don't want. Just disable them, and yes, this will make the most of it. If you like this kind of content, you can just subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video.